It's time. It's time to pull the Impala into the garage. Hook the battery connector up. I guess the neighbors get to deal with the cold start. All right, let's see what she's got. Give her a couple of pumps. Oh! That's not very optimistic, to be honest. Ooh! Ooh! She's beating. We got some hot for teacher going on. Pumps are really working extra hard since the old hydraulic oil's probably about like molasses right now. Damn, she sounds good, don't she? I'll put you in the garage real quick. There it is. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Maybe that last breath was unnecessary. With that, I'm going to go close the door. I'll see you later.